Hello, my name is Ryan Klatt, and this summer I want to share the land, the sea, and the sky. I want to share the history and the humanity of Canada. My camera has seen the high altitude deserts of the Himalaya while producing Yasmin's Yatra.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम। मैंने देखा है।
In my latest documentary, I work to protect and preserve food security in northern Manitoba.
This is so therapeutic. And then something clicked in my brain that said horticultural therapy. That's it, that's the answer for our community.
And this summer, I want to create dynamic and meaningful videos for Parks Canada. Parc Canada. Merci.